John Deere ILS. We've got these bagged up, come back from the rebuilder, so I'm not going to unbag them for the video. But there is a, I don't want to call it old style, but you have a 6-to-1 ratio and 8-to-1 ratio, and the main difference is the size of the outside of the carrier or the hat is. So an image of that or your serial number will tell us, because it only happens in your tractor has to have def, and it has to be above 300 horsepower to qualify, if you will, to have that heavy axle. So if you don't have, so even if your tractor uses def, but it's a 8295 and down, then it can't even have that option. But anyway, we sell ours complete. They do have the steering knuckle on them. I know a lot of times guys ask they don't need that, but that's just how we sell it, because when you do need it, it's there. Sometimes these are bad about being on back order. So they're the same price, but before we do any shipping or can verify that we have it, we've got to know which one you need.